Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rotate specific pages in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open a PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this left side of page thumbnail icon and click on this page layout option. And here you will find this rotation option. Click on this down arrow. Now select advanced rotate and select this pages option, and here you can select specific pages. I'll type rotate first one and page number 3. These two pages I'll rotate. Add this rotation angle. Here you can select the left rotate and this right rotate. I'll select this left rotate. Now select rotate and remove this comma and select rotate and see this page first one and page number 3 now rotate. In this you can select specific pages or specific page range, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.